Upload the Barbie logo image. Open shapes, select a circle, change the color so you can see it a little bit better, size it up a little bit to where you can see the edges of the word. Bring the word Barbie to the front, change the color so you can see it better. Duplicate this circle, change that circle's color, size it slightly smaller and center it. Select both circles and slice them. This will give you the outline of the circle. Move the cutouts out of the way and delete them. Send the outline back. Open a new text and type "Come on." Change the font to Arial Bold. Play around with the size, curve the text, duplicate the word, and type "Let's go party." Curve the text, size it down, and rotate it to your liking. Select the outline, duplicate it, make it smaller, center it, and bring it to the front. Go to Shapes, select a square, size it up to fit the letter B and the outer outline. Duplicate the shape 3 times. Select the square and the outline and click Slice. Remove the cutouts and delete them. Repeat this process with the other squares over the B, the I, the E, and the outline it touches. Now that you're done, you can edit the colors as you like, select the whole design, and unite it. Don't forget to save it.